Ve'al yedei zeh, through this hand, through the hand of this, Niskablim kol ha'tefilos ve'habakashos, is accepted all the prayers and requests. Kikar ma she'ein niskablin habakashos hu mechama she'ein laha devarim chen. Because the main, that which is not received, meaning the main reason why it's not received, requests, are because that there aren't the words grace. They're lacking grace. And they're not entered into the heart of that of the he who he is requesting from. You're petitioning before someone, but your words don't have grace into his heart. As if there isn't in his heart a place that it should enter the words into his heart. Because there isn't to the requester, the petitioner, grace, that it should enter the words into the heart of this one that you're requesting from him. It is through this that all prayers and petitions are accepted. For the main reason that requests are not accepted is that the words lack grace and do not penetrate the heart of the one being asked. It is as if there was no place in the heart for the words to enter, because the petitioner is lacking the grace needed for the words to enter the heart of the one he petitions. Aval al yidei ha-Torah, but through the hand of Torah, shal yidei zeh, that through this hand, nischabrin v'niskashrin, it is connected and tied, ha-nun v'ha-ches, the letter nun and the letter ches. We said nun represents malchut and ches represents wisdom, chochma, right? Kanal, as mentioned above. V'nasa chen, and it makes chen. Ches and nun together makes chen, grace. And because of this, the Torah is called elevating chen, the elevator of chen. Proverbs, but we said it was really like a doe, a gracious doe or something, or gazelle, right? And then he merits that his words, they are words of grace. And then is received his words and requests. Like the one who speaks words of grace. That it's entered the words into the heart of the one you're requesting from. That is, this, the one that you're requesting from him. But by means of the Torah, through which the nun and the ches are joined and bound together, chen, grace, is produced. This is why Torah is called ya'alet chen. The person that merits that his words are words of charm, and so his words and requests are received. As is the case when someone speaks with chen, the matter penetrates the heart of the one petitioned, in other words, the one being asked. The zebechinas tav. This is the aspect of the letter Taf, the final letter. Numerical value 400. That is, through this that is connected and tied, the Ches and the Nun, and is made an aspect of grace, then is made an aspect of the letter Tav. Taf is a way of saying, it means what? Engraving and imprinting. As is written in Ezekiel, V'hisvisa tav, and you, I guess, engraved a tav, engraved in engraving, or we'll see the English. Because through the hand of grace, it is engraved, v'nirsham, and imprinted, makam belev hamispakish, a place in the heart of the one you're requesting from, lekabel habakasha, to receive the request. Because through the hand of grace is accepted his words. This is the concept of the tav. That is, by the ches and nun being joined and bound, producing chen, the taf is made. This suggests etching and marking, as in Ezekiel, and hitva tav, inscribe a mark. By means of the chen, space is carved out and marked in the heart of the one who is petitioned to accept the request. For as a result of the grace, his words are accepted. Nimtza, it comes out, that the aspect of grace, it engraves a place in the heart of this one that you're requesting from him. In order so that it should enter in, the word should enter into his heart. And he should receive his request. And this engraving and imprinting is an aspect of the letter Tav, as mentioned above. And this is the verse in Koheles. Divrei chachamim benachas nishmam, the words of the sages, of the wise ones, the words of the wise ones, those with chachma, and benachas nishmam, with nachas, with like pleasure or satisfaction, they are heard. With satisfaction, they are heard. Nachas daika, specifically with nachas, with satisfaction. Hainu b'chinas chen, Hanal v'hatov hanal. That is specifically nachas, which is an aspect of chen, grace, that was mentioned above, and the letter tav that was mentioned above. Together, the ches, the nun, and the tav, it spells nachas. Look at the word nachas. It has the ches, it has the nun, and it has the tav. And through this, nasa oisiyos nachas, you make the letters of the word nachas, of favor. Nachas is like, see how they translate. Vaz nishmam devarav, and then is heard his words, v'niskabel bakashasei kanal, and his request is accepted, is received, as mentioned above. Thus it is that the chen etches a place in the heart of the one who is being petitioned, so that the other's words may enter his heart and cause the request to be accepted. This etching and marking is the concept of the tav. This is the meaning of Ecclesiastes, the word in chapter 9, verse 17. The words of the wise are heard, for they are spoken benachat, gently. Specifically nachat, i.e. the aspect of chen and the tav, which together spell nachat. Then his words are heard and his request is accepted.